Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix FIFA 23 black screen problem. First click here and go to device manager, and then go to display adapters and make sure to update all those drivers here. And now after that, all you have to do, just click here and then type Windows Update Settings, install the updates that you can find here, and now go back, right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA Control Panel, and now click Use My Preference, move it to Performance, and click Apply and then close it. And now right click and run FIFA 23 as administrator, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.